How to book a hotel room on booking.com. Let's dive into the video. First thing first, go to any web browser and search for the booking.com. Once you're inside the booking.com, all you have to do is type down the address you are searching the hotel of. So as you can see, I have mentioned the place name as Bali and the checkout and check-in time. You'll have to complete this process in order to look for the hotel first of all. So simply type down the address you are looking the hotel of and check in and check out date and complete the information of adult children. Then simply tap on the search option available there. Once you tap on the search, you'll get to see list of hotels available on your device. All you have to do is scroll down and tap on the hotel according to your preferences or budget. Inside the hotel, you'll get to see the list of rooms option available. Now simply tap on the room you want and tap on the next step option available there. Now you will be taken to the next page where you will have to fill out the information of yours to book the room, and in some cases you will also have to pay some advance. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.